The concept of the gentle whisper of God is often associated with the way God communicates with his people, emphasizing his intimate and personal nature. This idea is most prominently illustrated in the account of the prophet Elijah in 1 Kings 19. After Elijah's dramatic confrontation with the prophets of Baal on Mount Carmel, he fled to Horeb, the mountain of God, where he experienced God's presence in a unique and profound way. In 1 Kings 19 verses 11 to 13, the narrative describes Elijah's encounter with God. Then the Lord said, "Go out and stand on the mountain before the Lord. Behold, the Lord is about to pass by." And a great and mighty wind tore into the mountains and shattered the rocks before the Lord, but the Lord was not in the wind. After the wind, there was an earthquake, but the Lord was not in the earthquake. After the earthquake, there was a fire, but the Lord was not in the fire. And after the fire came a still small voice. 神嘅溫柔細聲呢個概念好多時都同神同佢嘅子民溝通嘅方式有關，強調佢嘅親密同個人性質。呢個諗法喺列王紀上19章嘅先知以利亞嘅記載中最突出。以利亞喺迦密山同巴力嘅先知戲劇性對抗之後，佢逃到神嘅山何烈，喺嗰度佢以一種獨特而深刻嘅方式體驗到神嘅臨在。耶和華說：你出來站在山上，在我面前。那時耶和華從那裏經過，在他面前有烈風大作，崩山碎石。耶和華卻不在風中，風後地震，耶和華卻不在其中。地震後有火，耶和華也不在火中，火後有微小的聲音。Gentle whisper, or thin silence, signifies the subtle and quiet manner in which God chose to reveal himself to Elijah. Unlike the dramatic and powerful manifestations of wind, earthquake, and fire, God's voice came in a gentle whisper, highlighting his desire for a personal and relational connection with his prophet. 溫柔嘅細聲或者薄薄嘅沉默，係指神選擇以微妙同安靜嘅方式向以利亞顯示自己。唔似風、地震同火嘅戲劇性同強大嘅表現，神嘅聲音係溫柔嘅細聲，凸顯佢想同佢嘅先知建立個人同關係嘅聯繫。The idea that God is not always found in the grandiose or the spectacular. Instead, he often communicates in quiet, intimate ways that require attentiveness and a receptive heart. This mode of communication reflects God's character as one who is close to the brokenhearted and near to those who seek him with humility and sincerity. 神唔係成日喺宏偉或者壯觀嘅地方揾到，相反，佢經常以安靜、親密嘅方式溝通，需要細心同接受嘅心。呢種溝通方式反映咗神嘅性格，佢係一個親近心碎嘅人，同埋親近嗰啲以謙虛同真誠去尋求佢嘅人。God is depicted as a personal being who desires a relationship with his creation. The gentle whisper serves as a reminder that God's presence is not limited to extraordinary events, but is accessible in the everyday moments of life. This aligns with the broader biblical theme of God's immanence, his nearness to his people, and his willingness to engage with them on a personal level. 神被描繪為一個個人存在，佢渴望同佢嘅創造物建立關係。溫柔嘅細聲提醒我哋，神嘅存在唔單止限於非凡嘅事件，而係可以喺生活嘅日常生活中接觸到。呢個同更廣泛嘅聖經主題一致，即係神嘅內在性，佢同佢嘅子民嘅親近，同埋佢願意喺個人層面上同佢哋互動。